Good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2508th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Traders, thanks for tuning in. This video coming at you on a Tuesday night for trading Wednesday, December 21st, 2022. Before we discuss what should happen tomorrow technically, let's remind each other that there's a lot of risk involved in this game. Never trade without stops. Put those stops in first before you enter into a trade. You will live to fight another day if you put your stops in first. All right, traders, so E-mini S&P Daily Bar, the Omni has basically flipped to sort of a neutral because I've got some bullish, some bearish, and some neutral indices all coming up the same. So generally the Omni is up arrow or down arrow. When I see 5 different arrows, that tells me it's kind of neutral. With that in mind, take a look at the markets, and the Oscarism known as the holiday reversal. Well, is the holiday reversal beginning? Well, that's probably what we've seen on Tuesday's trading. We dropped down, made new lows, rallied back up, closed near the highs, and Tuesday night for Wednesday, the session's already starting with a little bit of an upswing. So I think you're getting some form of a holiday reversal, and we would be buying dips if we had to do any trading for trading on Wednesday, E-mini S&P. Now, I had a question from Barry August. Let me show you. He asked me about bonds. Barry's from YouTube, and I said, sure, why not look at bonds for you? So that's a ZB23. And that's still not there, so let's start that over. And that should give you bonds. All right, so for Barry August, thank you for asking any questions at all and watching my YouTube videos. Much appreciated. So your question was, did the BOJ's decision, the Bank of Japan's decision, have an effect on our bonds here in the United States? Great question. Bank of Japan made a decision yesterday about their interest rates, and it was deemed as hawkish, and boom, the market changed complexion in Japan, and of course, created a jolt here in our 30-year T-bonds. So what did it do? Well, let's take a look at what it did. We were in a fantastic pattern, this right here. See this channel? Got near the top of that channel, came back to the bottom, top, came back towards the bottom. So it worked in this channel for quite some time, fell out of the channel. What else happened here? At the same time, let's go make this a little brighter for you so you can see what it is. Obviously, the algorithms on Wall Street towards bonds are pretty low or short-term algorithms. And this particular one, or this average, look at how well it worked in bonds. Kept bonds in check, kept bonds in check, kept the bonds in check. And then finally, it gets above. Gets into this great channel, runs around inside this channel, and then boom, breaks the average and the channel on the same day. And now, if you ask me, a new downward projective type channel is building, and bonds look like they will continue lower. On top of that, we had Jerome Powell come out and say that we are nowhere near done with rates yet, and the market has reacted. So interest rates are going up at the moment while the 30-year bond market futures goes down. Traders, please like and share these videos. Please subscribe right now to YouTube to make sure that you are aware each and every time I put out one of these educational videos. This is for trading this is for trading from this moment in time that you watch this video through 12/21 tomorrow on Wednesday. Traders, thank you so much for tuning in. Please be careful out there. Put your stops in first. I hope this helps. And remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Traders, thank you once again. Good luck out there. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.